Are you gearing up to build a garden swing? Get inspired and dive into it today. A garden swing is a perfect addition to any backyard. It creates a cozy corner where you can spend quality time with friends and family, recharge your energy, or simply enjoy sunny days in peace. It's an excellent way to combine leisure with fresh air. It entertains children and provides you with a pleasant space for relaxation and unwinding. We've gathered 45 inspirations and ideas for garden swings, including ones for your little ones. Get inspired and craft a swing that fits perfectly into your garden.